Okay, so yeah, we have done with the first part of the chapter circles. Now we will move on with the second part. So, okay, there are three different cases for tangents. Okay, so which we will be discussing out here. So, number of tangents from a point of circle. Number of point tangents. Okay, we will discuss three different scenarios out here. Okay, the very first case. Write down the case and dictate. There is no tangent to a circle. There is no tangent to a circle passing through a point. Passing through a point. NCRT open ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಉಂಟ ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ನೋಟ್ಸು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಗೆಟ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಯಾರು ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥನಾ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಬಂದನು ಟ್ರಯಲ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ದಿಟ್ಟಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ ರವೀಂದ್ರ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ಕ್ರಿಶ್ಚಿಯನ್ ಜೆರಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟೆಡ್. ಇದೇನಿದೆ ರಫ್ ನೋಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದು ವೆರ್ ಆರ್ ಯು ರೈಟಿಂಗ್? ಏನು ಪೇಜ್ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು? ಜೆರಾಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ಯಾ? ಯಾರು ಪದವಾಗಿಲ್ಲವಾ? ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಹೊರಗೆ ಮಿಟಿಂಗ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಯಾರು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ? ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ 3 ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅದು ಜೆರಾಕ್ಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಂತೆ. ಈಗ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಂದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಓಪನ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, ರಫ್ ನೋಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. There is no tangent to a circle. There is no tangent to a circle passing through a point lying inside the circle. Passing through a point lying inside the circle. This is the case 1. Case 2. I'll explain each cases with a diagram later. Case 2. There is one and only one tangent. There is one and only one tangent. ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಎನ್ಸಿ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ರು ಯಾಕೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. Like we come with example questions, exercise questions, that type of copying questions you can open down. Now it's not required. You don't need to verify whether the search doing the chapter from has some delay. There is one and only one tangent to a circle passing through a point laying on the circle. Passing through the point laying on the circle. Where did you put the hand into the evening class? It's for the evening class. Case 3. Case 3. So, minor and the after. There is exactly two tangents. There is exactly two tangents to a circle. I'm sorry. There is exactly two tangents to a circle. To a circle through a point point laying outside the circle. Laying outside the circle. Okay? We will learn all of this in the theorem 4.10.2. 10th alva, 10th chapter alva. Theorem 10.2. Take down. Wait until. Oh, broken man. In a lucky putty. I'll just see just for verification of the statements are the same. Yeah. The length of the tangent, write down the statement. The length of the tangent, you can close the textbooks. And we have to dictate. The length of the tangent drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. The length of a tangent drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Okay. Next. So for this, we will draw the diagram of here. ಹೌದು ಸರ್ ಕಾಂಪಸ್ ತಂದ್ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ ಬನ್ನಿ ಕಾಂಪಸ್ ತಂದ್ಕೊಡಿ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ವೈಟ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಂಪಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ This is the point P, Q, R in center of actually the case all the cases okay again how many cases only read it out after the proof of the theorem you will understand. Three figures concentric circles with an example of a figure of theorem it out proof yaar par theorem statement easy here write down the given data write down the given data sir 1 minute PQ and PR PQ and PR are the tangents are the two tangents yes sir are the two tangents drawn from an external point Drawn from an external point P to a circle centered at O. Centered at O. Then later join PQ. Sorry, OP.
Sir, that is construction.
Where call that a construction company? How does it matter? If they ask also the technical quarter, they can reflect what is a construction of data. Okay. Yes. I can maximum write this much neatly. If you people are still not able to understand the handwriting, please get your high checkup done. Review by the end.
Sir, we recently got it done in school.
In school, group and go with that.
Illa, sir.
Fine, we'll come back to proof. To prove, what are we supposed to prove? The length of the radius are equal, no?
Yes, sir.
I mean, the length of the tangents are equal. PQ is equal to PR. We have to prove. Yes? We'll start with the proof.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How to start it with?
Same triangle.
Okay. Now, as per the first theorem, the angle made with the tangent and the radius is 90 degrees. This is 90. This is 90. There is upper one triangle, lower one triangle. Consider the triangles. Triangles PQO and triangle PRO. Okay. So here, what happens? OQ is equal to OR because they are the radii of the circle. Yes. OQ. Then angle PQO is equal to angle PRO. No. Because they are write a theorem on. Statement in bari bara theorem on anta bari. Okay. ಏನು ಬರಿಬೇಡ we know that angle made with the radius and the tangent is 90 or equal to 90 degree ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ start or not done safe side okay now OP is equal to OP common. Therefore, triangle PQR is equal to is similar to triangle PRO.
Yes, sir.
Right angle hypotenuse and consider hypotenuse. Right angle hypotenuse side by RHS congruency. RHS congruency. I didn't teach you 1 plus 1 also. I didn't teach you 5 ones also. RHS congruency. Therefore, PQ is equal to PR by CPCPC. And it's proved. Okay. Can we move on next? Okay, now you can open your eyes here. Examples. Questions copy ಮಾಡಲ್ವಾ? Questions ಬರೀತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ next? Questions.
Sir, examples.
Examples. This is the example one, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Prove that in two concentric circles, comma, the chord of the largest circle, comma, which touches the smaller circle, comma, is bisected at the point of contact. Okay, this is there last year. This is your 9th standard proof. Okay, so yeah, correspondingly one person realized that he has studied something which I haven't taught. Thank God.
Yes, sir. We know this.
You know this?
Yes, sir.
Can you all draw the figure of that?
All the circles dominate.
Come back to the class. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ನಾನೇ ಇಲ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದೇ ಬರ್ತೇನೆ ಡೋರ್ ತೆಗಿಯಲ್ಲ ನೀನು ಓಕೆ
Not example.
ಫಿಗರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಸಮ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ O P A B C1 C2 ಆಯ್ತಾ now it's a raw statement which you're supposed to write. We are given two concentric circles C1 and C2. We are given two concentric circles C1 and C2 with a center at O,
Sir, first
we are given two concentric circles C1 and C2 with the center at O and a chord AB to a largest circle C1 and a chord AB to a largest circle C1 which touches the smaller circle C2 at the point P. This is the explanation of the figure. Next slide. We need to prove. What are we need to prove? AP is equal to BB. Statement last time ಓದಿ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ is bisected at the point of contact. OP is perpendicular. Your radius is always making 90 degree with the tangent of. ಅದೇ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ zero perpendicular zero ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, we need to prove that that AP is equal to BP. Right? Blood pressure in the air.
3 minutes.
Come to next slide. Let us join OP. This is the construction part. Join OP. We know that AB being the tangent to the circle C2 and OP being the radius of the circle C2, the angle made with them is 90 degree. ನಿಮ್ಮ own words ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ theorem ಮಾತ್ರ ನಿಮ್ಮ own words ಅಲ್ಲಿ explain ಮಾಡಿ ಈ figure ಗೆ Nice. ಹೇಗಾದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರೋದಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅದು ಸರಿ ಚಲೋ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳ ಸರಿ ಯಾವುದು ಇದು ಓದುತ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರಿ ಇದು Okay. Then AB is the tangent to a surface C2 and OP is the radius by theorem 10.1. OP is perpendicular to AB. AB is the tangent to a circle C2. OP is the radius. And P is the point on AB. Therefore, by theorem 10.1, OP is perpendicular to AB.
Yes, sir.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ.
Radius.
Okay. AB is a chord of a circle C1. AB is a chord of a circle C1. And OP being perpendicular to AB. क्या सर्कल है इधर देखो C1 C8 C1 is the circle but C2 is not the circle क्या सर्कल में है देखो
So God will be
C1 C2 एक बार C2 का tangent ना बाबा
Sir, one thing, sir, in 9th standard we have done the theorem, sir. In that it says the perpendicular dot from a center bisects the chord. So from that on we can go.
I did prove it.
Oh, no matter day actually. Main nothing here.
AB is a chord of the circle C1 and OP being perpendicular to AB. OP bisects the chord AB. OP bisects the chord AB. As perpendicular from the center. As the perpendicular from the center bisects the chord. As the perpendicular from the center bisects the chord. AB is equal to CP. We were supposed to prove that when a chord bisects the tangent, then they're equal. Example 2. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿದ್ದಿರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬೇಕು ಇದು ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಕಲಿಬೇಡಿ ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ 3 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಓ ಸರ್ 7 hours 250 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ 1 hour ಗೆ
Example 2. Write down two tangents TP and TQ. TP and TQ. TQ.
So for tangent immediate answer.
Okay. Tan TP ಅಂತ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಇದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ.
Oh, sir, this question. Sir, this
Two tangents TP and TQ are drawn to a circle with ಅವ್ರು ಏನೋ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡು ಅಂತ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕು.
trigonometry by theta ಇದೆ.
With center O, with the center O from an external point T, prove that PTQ is equal to 2 times OPQ. PTQ is equal to 2 times OPQ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು
ನೀನೇ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದೆ
come back.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕ್ಕಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ
ಪಕ್ಕದ ಮನೆ ಅಂತಿನ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಾ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೂ ನಾವೇ ಡ್ರಾ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಏನೋ ನಿಮ್ದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿನ್ ಬಹುಗೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀಯ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಸರ್?
Do your work. Draw the diagram first.
ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ
Why will you come to class? Get out.
ಸ್ಕೂಲಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರು. P Q O. This is one angle. One angle.
ಸರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್
ಡೇಟಾ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆನೇ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ? ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್. TP and TQ are the two tangents. To a circle with center. What are you supposed to prove?
Sir, that one, that angle.
PQ is equal to 2 times OPQ. This is thing which we are supposed to prove. Okay, let's start over with the proof.
ಸರ್ ಫಿಗರ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್.
Two tangents PP and PQ. Okay, are drawn to a circle center at O
ಅದು
from the external point P. There a tangent draw ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? From the external point ಇಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ದಿದೆಯಪ್ಪ ಫಸ್ಟ್.
ಅದೇ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್
ಬರ್ದಿದೆ ತಾನೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್.
ಜಾಯಿನ್
ಇದಕ್ಕ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಂತ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ ಸಿ ದ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. Angle OPQ is given. OPQ is this angle, so you have to give it. Okay. ಅದನ್ನ ನೀನು ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಶೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ದೋಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಟ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ? ಫಿಗರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ವಿಚ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಲರ್ನ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲೋವರ್ ಗ್ರೇಡ್. ಯಾ ಅದೇ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ಗೆ ನೀನು ನಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? This theorem you have learned, no?
Sir, something similar to that, sir. Like it's 2 times that angle, sir.
Okay, let
angle at the center.
Substance angle that
PEQ be equal to OQ equal to theta. Consider this as equation number 1. PTQ. I mean, this angle is named as theta. Okay. So now TP is equal to PQ by theorem 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ connect ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು the length of the tangents are equal ಅಂತ, isn't it? TP is equal to TQ by theorem 2. Okay. Therefore, isn't this an isosceles triangle? Isn't it a triangle?
Two sides are
Triangle TPQ isosceles? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Doubt? Doubt? So now since they are isosceles out there, and we're gonna write
angle PQ
Sir, PPQ.
is equal to PQ.
Yes, sir. Angles.
So isosceles
Sir, angles of the equals
or rather use angle sum property out here. Since these two angles are equal, angle P and angle Q will be equal for that triangle. Use angle sum property like sum angle of the triangle is theta plus 2 times angle TPQ, which is equal to 180 degree. So angle TPQ will be 180 degree minus theta whole divided by 2. ಹೌದಾ?
2 ಇದೆ ಈಗ.
2 ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋದು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ
Sir, why 2 times theta?
Why 2? Oh, sir.
ಇದೊಂದು angle ಇದೊಂದು angle. Both angles are equal for an isosceles triangle ಅಲ್ಲ.
2 times.
One angle ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. 2 times that angle ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Sir. Sir, 180. There is straight line, that's 180.
Some angle property of
Angle
triangle.
sum property ಇಲ್ಲ.
Some other property.
Angle sum property.
Sir, no, sir. Why 2, sir?
Why 2 times engineering correct?
Isosceles triangle.
Okay, okay.
So angles are equal.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
2 angles are equal.
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
2 times that angle plus one more angle is theta.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, rather, how I will write now is very simple. How can I write this?
Sir, one doubt is substitute.
Yes, certainly.
Sir, first transposing left 2 to this side, so we can cancel it. After that, transposing theta.
ಏನ?
ಸೇಮ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು 180 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಥೀಟಾ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು.
ನಿಂಗೆ ಯಾರು ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್?
Yes, sir.
ನಾನಂತೂ ಈ ತರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೆತ್ತಿದಾಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 180 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡೋ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಥೀಟಾ ಬಂದು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಇತ್ತು. ಥೀಟಾಗೂ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, 90 ಮೈನಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದು. ಥೀಟಾಗೂ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Theta
ಅದೇ ಸರ್, ಥೀಟಾ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್
ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ?
2ನೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ
2 ಬಂದು 180.
ಅವನೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು.
Go to 6th standard, learn how to transpose, then come to my class. Please ignore. What is that meant? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರೋದು 2 ಇದೊಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಓವರ್ ಆಲ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬರೀ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕುತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Hey, mental fellow, listen. ಹಂಗೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದಿರೋದೇ ಹಂಗೆ. Okay. So now, angle TPQ is given. This angle we found out. I'll consider this is equation number 2. Okay. So what have we asked? What have we asked?
Angle
BB.
Okay, now what is the overall angle?
Base. ಯಾವ್ದು
Sir,
TPO.
OPT. TPO.
ಯಾವ್ದು ಸರ್
Indian fellow, what is the overall angle? Angle made with the tangent and the radius. 90 degrees. So that angle is
90.
OPT alpha.
Yes, sir.
Okay, angle OPT is 90 degrees. Yes, OPT is 90 degrees.
Oh, sir.
Theorem.
Radiate and
Radius and tangent, what's the angle with, sir? This is the radius. How do you like to understand? This is the radius. This is the tangent. What is the total angle? 90 degree. This is called overaction.
sir, vidya ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ sir
Listen. Theorem 1. What is theorem 1?
tangent
Isn't this tangent? Isn't this the radius? OP is the radius. So overall angle is like 90 degree alva. ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ theorem? ಏನು ಅರ್ಥ ಬರ್ತಿರ್ತಲ್ಲ. So you wrote this angle. TPQ, this smaller angle PPQ, ಈ angle ಗೊತ್ತು ನಿಮಗೆ, ಈ angle ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So 90 minus PPQ. ಅದು ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Angle OPQ is equal to 90 degree minus 180 degree minus theta divided by 2. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಕ್ಷರವಾಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ನೋಡ್ ಮಾರಯ್ಯ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಡ. Take the LCM out here. So 180 degree minus 180 degree minus theta divided by 2.
cancel
Zero.
ಅದೇ
So,
so 180 minus 180 0 minus
Plus theta ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Minus into minus is plus. ಹೌದಾ? ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ?
2 times OPQ is equals theta.
ಅದೇ sir cancel
180 minus 180 cancels. Theta by 2 which is equal to OPQ. So 2 times angle OPQ is equal to theta.
Theta is that.
cancel
From equation number 1, what is theta?
So theta is PDQ.
So OPQ 2 times A.
2 times OPQ is equal to 1 time PDQ.
Isn't this done? Doubt idea? Okay. Example number 3. Example number 3. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು? PQ is a chord of length 8 cm of a circle of radius 5 cm to a tangent at P and Q intersects at point P. Find the length of TP. Okay, this is more or less an application based on a theorem. Okay, the figure is given out there. Yes, figure is given. The micrometropia myopia ಸೇರಿದೆ.
sir ಏನದು hyper
Hyperopia.
sir ಅಗ್ನದ physics ನಮಗೆ
Sir, I have thanks for being people, sir. Oh, obviously I will be doing. Meet our capacity for this.
ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ
needs ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. They have to write the if you both know.
Yes, sir.
ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಿಚ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಏನ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
ಯಾರು ಸರ್
ಆ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ನಾವು
ಅಷ್ಟು ಡಬ್ಬ
okay. Join OT, let it intersect PQ at a point R. ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಲೆಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ಡೇಟಾ ಅದು ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೆಯಲ್ಲ. Join OT,
ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್
let ನೀನ್ ಬಂದು ಏನು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೋ ಅಷ್ಟು let it, what is it? Intersect Q, sorry. Let it intersect PQ at the point R. Okay, next. So is it triangle PPQ isosceles? Isosceles length of the tangents are equal, theorem 2. Length of the tangents are equal, so they are isosceles. Okay, so now since they are isosceles triangle, what we can tell? TO is an angular bisector. This angle is bisector. Isosceles triangle is exact about the material. TO is an angular bisector. Bisects which angle? PPQ. Howda? Bisects the angle PPQ. Okay, next. So now OC is perpendicular to PQ. And also OT bisects PQ. It proved ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ previous result OT bisects PQ. ಅದು ಯಾವ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ವಪ್ಪ? concentric circles ಅಲ್ಲಿ AP is equal to BP ಅಂತ ಅವನೇನ BP blood pressure ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? That question example 1 ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So now PR is equal to QR, which will be 4 centimeters. Bisect ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. OT bisects PQ.
Bisects equal ina sir.
ಬೈಸೆಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್
Equal ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? theorem 1 ನೋಡು. AP is equal to BP ಇಲ್ವಾ? Example 1 of theorem. Now we also know RO. We have to find RO. We know this. And we know this is bisect perpendicular. Okay, perpendicular. So yeah. So can you find out? You know the hypotenuse 5 square minus 4 square under the root. What is it? 9. Root 9 is 3 centimeters. So now RO is found out. So we also know this small angle plus this angle is equal to 90 degree. Angle made with the tangent and the radius is 90 degree. So angle TPQ plus angle TPQ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳ TPR ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳ R ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. more or less both are the same ಅಲ್ವಾ? TPQ TPR more or less the same. And also one more angle is OPR or RPO. is equal to 90 degrees. Okay. So now I'll take this as equation number 1. Along with it, what else can I take? Okay, equal 90 degrees is there. This side is also 90 degrees.
Yes, sir.
Need a pen. One side 90 there, one side 90 there. So, angle PTR plus angle RP PPR is equal to 90 degrees. In one to 90 there, some angle property, then the remaining two angles should sum up to 90 degrees. Okay? Because we require 180 here. So 190 there equal to 90 there, sum up our angles. Okay? So this also you consider it as equation number 2. Okay? Now, from 1 and 2, what can I write?
Cancel.
Okay. You also know angle OPR is equal to 2 times
PDQ. 2 times PDQ.
2 times
PDQ.
PTQ. R ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೀವು. PTQ. 2 times PTQ. Equation number 3. Now, two angles we know by similarity property. PTR ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. One minute. Yes, okay. ಈ ಮೆಸೇಜೇ ಬರೆಸಿಲ್ವಾ? Sorry, 2 times ಅಲ್ಲ. So since it is 2 times divided by 2 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇದು PTR ಅಲ್ವಾ? So this angle is 2 times this ಅಲ್ವಾ? This angle is 2 times this alva.
This angle
is 2 times the angle this.
Yes, sir.
So when you are dividing this exactly, this angle and this angle are equal. Alva. So PTR. This is equation number 3. So therefore, triangle PRO is similar to triangle PTR by a similarity. So since they are similar, write down the ratios. PT by OP. PT by OP. Okay. So right angles na consider ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ children. Considering the right angles you are writing. Okay, is equal to PR by OR. Okay, ratios na substitute ಮಾಡಿ values na. What is PT? Not given. What is OP? 5. What is PR? 4. What is OR? 3. So PT is equal to 20 by 3 centimeters. That is what we are supposed to find. Okay, meaning ratios direct to perform follow. Telling that they are similar or not, but few of the teachers will question the output that it is similar to control. For proving that they are similar, you have to write these stories. Artha aita, Panikan understood? So, do we have time? Fine. We will take the remaining basics of the chapter. 13 questions you can't do.